your sunnies and sandals because you're in for a dose of sunshine. We're naming a few dreamy destinations we've had our eye on that would make for a perfect warm weather getaway. Let's get started. First up is Galveston Island, a barrier island in the Texas Gulf Coast. This destination is perfect for families, couples, and solo travelers. Hitting the beach is a must when visiting Galveston, but exploring the island will take you to beautiful historic districts full of great architecture, interesting attractions for all ages, and peaceful views within a local nature preserve and state park. Most visitors reach Galveston by personal car, but there are shuttles available to and from Houston if you're flying in. As a Palmera Vacation Club member, use your Quest Travel Club membership to find airfare and even rental cars at unbeatable prices. On Quest, you'll even find a long list of guided activities and tours at discounted prices to help make your time in Galveston that much more memorable. A great thing about Galveston is its diverse collection of hotels, resorts, and vacation rentals. You'll be able to find the perfect accommodation for your group by using the filters available on the hotel's search page. Depending on the time of year, you'll find great savings. Another option when trying to book your stay is by checking the RCI exchange. Although there are less options listed here than on Quest, these available resorts allow you to use your points to book, are incredible locations, and just might be exactly what you're looking for. Want to know more about Galveston? Find its destination highlight listed on the Palmera Go page to learn more about where to stay, when to go, and what to do while you're there. Our second destination is also listed on the destination highlight page. Also an island with a popular cruise ship port, Aruba is a great choice if you want a vacation full of sunshine. Its location in the Caribbean is responsible for how little rain and hurricanes Aruba gets, making it easier to plan out your days without the chance of storms washing your plans away. The main attraction will always be Aruba's pristine beaches and turquoise waters, but there's an entire unexpected landscape to discover. Getting to Aruba is just an easy flight away, with its airport being in the capital city where all the fun starts. Here you can rent a car to explore the island, but it isn't necessary. You'll find many different discounted tours on Quest Travel Club. Normally, we'd recommend searching for accommodations on the RCI exchange or the hotels section on Quest, but Aruba is one of those great locations to search for highly discounted stays under the weeks section. The third location we'd like to highlight is the Canary Islands. Often overlooked by U.S. travelers and a dream vacation for many, the Spanish archipelago off the coast of Africa can be reached by 2 international airports. With a total of 8 main islands, you'll be met with varied landscapes to explore and plenty of sunshine to spare. The weather here is known to be beautiful, with mild winters and warm summers with low rainfall. The Canary Islands are great for going surfing, scuba diving, and of course, sunbathing. Visitors have the opportunity to not only swim with sea turtles, but take camel rides in the barren terrain unlike any other you've seen before. The range of landscapes and wonders to discover may surprise you, but the number of accommodations available to you on the RCI exchange definitely will. We're not just talking about a handful. There's upward of 50 resorts listed across multiple islands. The Canary Islands are also known to be pretty affordable travel destination, so you'll notice that some of the listed resorts start at only 900 points, which is an incredible deal. And of course, our favorite sunny spot will always be Hilton Head Island. There are plenty of activities that let you indulge in the beautiful Carolina sunshine in addition to your beach day. If you'd like to discover new ways to explore the island, visit Hilton Head Guest Services website for a collection of recommended activities, quality shopping, and delicious dining options for you and your group. As always, if you'd like to book a return trip back to the island, use the 6 ways to travel on your membership dashboard to find the perfect unit for you. If you'd like to use your points, search for availability at any of our 4 world-class resorts on the island by arrival date and length of stay. If you'd like to book a trip using cash, find great deals on discounted inventory for Palmera members with VIP weeks. If you're looking for more travel inspiration for your next trip to Hilton Head Island or anywhere around the world, check out the Palmera Go page. You'll never know what you might discover. Safe travels!